In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the install version of Git on our Mac computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I'm going to open the terminal. Once I open the terminal, it will be looking like this. Now I'm going to increase the size of the text a little bit so that it is easy to read. So I think it's enough. Now we just need to write on command git then space dash vers version, or you can simple type -v. Then you can hit the return key of your keyboard and you will see the install version of Git on your Mac. So Git version 2.501, this is the version. Sometimes we have multiple install version of Git. At the time, to check the details, we can write this command. This thing I already wrote it so that you can easily check ls -l then space $sign and which space dash a minus a dash git, and once you hit return key you will see all the details of that thing. So here it is showing there is 2 versions of Git on my Mac computer. If I increase, it will be online, it will be easy to read. So see here, there are 2 versions of Git is there. One is located in this location and another is located in this location. So if this thing is installed generally by default, probably if you use like Xcode, it will install this thing. Probably, I'm not guessing, I'm not sure this thing, but I guess so. And this is the thing which we install through homebrew. And if you want to change the path, I mean the default Git, you can also modify that. And that's it. In this way, we can easily check the install version of Git on our Mac computer, and also the total list of Git which is installed on my Mac.